Temple Inland, Svenska Cellulosa Aktiebolaget, Stora Enso, Smurfit-Stone Container, Smurfit Kappa Group, Siam Cement, Shandong Chenming Paper Holdings, Schweitzer-Mauduit International Inc., Sappi, Feiser Glatfelter, Glatfeller, Orchids Paper Products Company, Oji Paper, Norske Skog, Nippon Paper, NewPage, Neenah Paper, Inc., Mondi, MeadWestvaco, Mead Corporation, Kruger Products Limited, KapStone Paper and Packaging Corporation, International Paper, Domtar, Cascades, Water.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.